Good afternoon. The summer is going to be put on hold this week. I think we're all going to see a touch of autumn weather, and from Tuesday onwards we're all going to see some very wet and windy weather. Mind you, this weekend there's been an autumn chill around during the mornings. Just take a look at this from this morning. Now these are ground temperatures. Up in Highland Scotland the temperature down to -3, and the Dorset Heathland just to the north of Bournemouth got down to -1 Celsius last night. Now the settled weather and the clear skies have been leading to those low temperatures, and that's all down to this area of high pressure. That's going to stay with us during the next 24 hours or so, but then from Monday onwards into Tuesday we'll start to see the Atlantic weather systems rushing their cloud and rain eastwards. Now there'll be some quite prolonged rain, some heavy rain, some strong winds, but in between that more persistent rain, some brighter showery weather. But let's turn our attention back to the day. You can see the first of those weather systems just showing up as this massive cloud out to the west of the British Isles, but further to the south and east the cloud's well broken. There's a good deal of sunny weather around, and that's all courtesy of that high that's still with us. That's going to rule the weather today, so generally a settled scene across the British Isles. 1 or 2 light showers up in the far north of Scotland this afternoon, but a good deal of sunshine, particularly in northeast England, East Anglia, and along parts of the Channel coast. So that's where the warmest weather is going to be today. In the south, temperatures around 21 degrees. Up in the north of Scotland, nearer 13 or 14 Celsius. Now this evening, some of that cloud in the south will melt away, but the cloud in the northwest will thicken, bringing some outbreaks of rain into Northern Ireland and northwestern parts of Scotland. That rain will become more extensive overnight across Northern Ireland and the western side of Scotland, and the winds will pick up there as well. Whereas for England and Wales, I think it'll be another dry night. Quite a chilly night, not quite as cold as it was last night, but just here and there the temperatures could get low enough for a touch of frost on the ground. Now Monday starts off with a lot of cloud and rain across Northern Ireland, western Scotland. That rain's going to move further and further westwards through the day, a little further southwards, so the cloud will be thickening up across northern England and North Wales. There could be the odd spot of rain into Cumbria and North Wales during the evening tomorrow. But for the central and southeastern parts of England, I think staying dry. A lot of dry and sunny weather across South Wales and the West Country. So once again, the warmest weather will be in the south on Monday. As we move into Tuesday, we'll still have cloud and rain across Scotland and across Northern Ireland. It'll move a little bit further southwards, bringing some rain into northern and western parts of England and Wales. A few showers developing across southeastern areas and up to the northwest, but it'll turn brighter and showery across Northern Ireland and across Scotland. Wednesday is going to be a rather messy day. Several bands of cloud and rain moving eastwards across the country, but in between there will be some brighter showery weather. The wind's picking up all the while now through the rest of the week. On Thursday, another batch of cloud and rain rushing eastwards across the country. And by then, I think we'll find gales up in the far northwest. Brighter showery weather coming along behind, and that's the way the week will end. And that's the forecast.